everyone, welcome back to MomoLanguageLab, this channel for improving your English fluency and study skill. Today I'm excited to share with you a powerful technique that can transform the way you study and learn. It's called the Feynman Technique, named after the brilliant physicist Richard Feynman. Let's dive in and see how it's works. The Feynman Technique is a method designed to help you understand and learn concepts deeply. Richard Feynman was known for his ability to explain complex topics in simple terms, and this technique reflects that skill. Here, how you can use the Feynman Technique to study efficiently. Step 1. Choose a concept. Pick a topic you want to understand better. It can be anything from a grammar rule in English to scientific theory. For this video, let's say we want to understand the concept of photosynthesis. Step 2. Teach it. Imagine you are teaching the concept to someone else, like a child or a friend who knows nothing about the topic. Break it down in simple terms. For example, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food using sunlight. Step 3. Identify gaps. While explaining, you might struggle with some parts or realize you don't fully understand something. Note down these areas because they are the gaps in your knowledge. Step 4. Review and simplify. Go back to your study material and fill in the gaps in your understanding. Once you have clarified these points, try to simplify your explanation even further. Use analogies or simple language to make it clear. Step 5. Organize and share. Organize your refined explanation logically. If possible, teach it to someone else or explain it in a study group. Teaching others is a great way to solidify your understanding. Let's demonstrate this with our example of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food. They use sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. The process happens in the leaves, especially in the chloroplast, which contain chlorophyll. This is what makes leaf greens. Through photosynthesis, plants produce glucose, which is a type of sugar, and oxygen, which they release into the air. The Feynman technique not only helps you understand concepts better but also improve your ability to explain them clearly. This technique is beneficial because it promotes active learning, highlights your knowledge gaps, and encourages deep understanding. So, there you have it. The Feynman technique is a powerful tool for efficient studying and learning. Give it a try with your study material and let me know how it's worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to MomoLanguageLab for more tips on improving your English and study skill. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Bye bye.